Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is formula field in Salesforce, why we use formula fields, how to create formula field in Salesforce, some real-time example for formula fields. So if you are beginner for Salesforce or you are working in a real-time project, this video is very important to you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first, we need to know what is formula field in Salesforce. A formula field in Salesforce is a read-only field that automatically calculates the value based on the other fields. So instead of manually entering the values, Salesforce calculates it automatically based on some formulas. So where we actually use the formula fields, we use formula field when we need automatic calculation. We don't want to user edit the value. We want to dynamic data. We need conditional logic. In that time, we will go with formula field. Some practical example for formula field. So I need to create one field like total amount. It's a formula field. So where I will go with my receipt object. In this receipt object, I have a multiple fields. In this object, I will create one formula field like total amount. So I just click on gear icon, go to edit object. Once you go to edit object, just click on field and relationships. Just click on new button. So in here, we need to select the data type. So our current data type is formula. So I will select formula data type. So there is a description like a read-only field that derives the values from the formula expression you define. That formula field updated when any source field is changed. We already told, right? So the formula fields worked on based on other fields. Like if other field is changed, that formula field value is automatically changed. I will click on next. I will give it as name as total amount. Then I will select the currency because amount is a currency field. I will select next. So in here, we will come to the formula editor. So in here, we need to enter the formula. So what is our formula? So total amount means it is the multiplication of quantity, number of quantity and price of each, right? So for example, in the quantity, we have a 1. So for 1, how much price? Like that. So this is the formula for our total amount. So we need to insert one field first, that is number of quantity. We need to add the operator, right? So just click on insert operator. Our operator name is multiply. So which we need to multiply? We need to multiply with price. So then click on check syntax. So there is no syntax error. We can click on next. Click on next. Click on save. So now our formula field is created successfully. You can see by searching that name, total amount, field name is total amount, data type is formula. So now what I will do, I will go to page layout, I will arrange that field. So in here, we have a total amount. I will put it on this right side. So then click on quick save. Once you saved, go back to your receipt object. Just try to refresh once. Then once it's refreshed, click on new button. Try to create new. We will fill all the values. So then we need to enter the number of quantity, price. So without entering these fields, that total amount is not captured. So what I will do number of quantity is 2. For each, I will put it as 69,999. So once I click on save, there is a total amount. It's automatically calculate like 1,39,998. So sometimes we use some field like age. So age automatically calculates based on this formula. So it will take the today date of birth is field, which is take the value of date of birth field value. 360 means it's a value. How we can calculate the age? In formula field, we have some other important formula functions, that is text. It will convert the pick list to text. Is pick value, case, concatenation, today. It will return the today date. This is all example for formula functions. So friends, this is how we can create a formula field in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe. In next video, we will go with next topic. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.